How to sign up on Survey Junkie. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Earning Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to sign up on Survey Junkie. Signing up on Survey Junkie is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the app, launch the Survey Junkie on your mobile device. Sign up. Click on Join Now or Sign Up button on the home page. You can sign up using your email address, Google account or Facebook. Once you choose your sign up method, tap on Start. Then enter your zip code and then tap on Next. Then enter your date of birth and then again tap on Next. Select your gender. Once you select your gender, once again tap on Next. After that, enter your first and last name and create a strong password. Then tap on Login and start earning. And here you go, that's how you can sign up on Survey Junkie. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.